Creating a flipbook in your PowerPoint is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. Just make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So once you are in the PowerPoint, all you have to do is to make sure that you add a new slide to the PowerPoint. For example, just go to the slide and add a blank slide. So make sure there's nothing in it. Just go ahead and delete all of the information that you have right now, and you will get a blank page just like this. So what we're gonna do right now, was each uh, page of the slide, for example, each slide will show a transition on your flipbook. So simply go ahead and import an object that you want to use for the flipbook. For example, there will be a character that will move accordingly once you flip the book. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a circle to demonstrate a sun. For example, the sun is gonna start from here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it over here. So what you have to do is to add a object or a shape in the picture. For example, I'm just gonna use this for a sun, and each slide will represent a different sort of animation. For example, just go to the transition and add a cut transition, and make sure that the duration is 0.1 second. So that would be an easy thing. Just go to second slide and then go ahead and insert the same object. You can simply copy the object from here and then go ahead and paste it over here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just move ahead a little bit so that it might see a transition that it just moved a little bit to the upper side. So after that, what you have to do is to go ahead and add another slide. Make sure you delete everything that is inside it, and then all you have to do is to paste that thing again and now move it a little bit more. So now make sure that the transition has been added to all of the images, and now we're gonna see that if it actually works or not. So we're just gonna go ahead and add the transition to it as well, and make sure that the transition is 0.01 second. So once we have that, and make sure you toggle this switch on which says on mouse click, and once you do that, simply go ahead and go to the view mode. And once we do that, when we click it, and you will see that it is moving over. So this is how you can make a flip book on the PowerPoint. So it is pretty easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.